This will just be a very quick tutorial on how to give yourself a quick icon with a flashing thumbs up. So let's start by opening a new Fusion composition. Drag a Fusion composition over to your timeline. Let's open it in the Fusion page. First thing we want to do is hit Shift and Spacebar and grab a loader. I'll explain to you just now why we're using the loader. Go and find your icon or your PNG or whatever you want to use. Add it in. Once you've done that, again hit Shift and Spacebar and let's add in an edge detect. This will just give us the ability to add a glow to the specific area where you want to apply it. Add that to your media out and you can see the effects of the edge detect. I'm just going to change a few of the settings to my preference. So moving the brightness down, the gamma ever so slightly, and then I'm going to select the edge mask overlay. This applies the changes to the edges of the original PNG. A polygon and then crop out the section that you want to highlight. So the effect will take preference to your visual. In my case, I'm adding a second one, and only this area will now be affected by the edge detect. Move back to the very first frame, select the edge detect, and let's keyframe the edge width. Move forward by 3 frames in my case, and I'm going to move it up just under 5. But again, this is purely your preference. You can move it to whatever level glow you want. Move forward by another 3 frames, and you can reduce it back to normal. Then you can open up your spline editor, select show only selected tools, zoom to fit, highlight all the keys and press S on your dashboard on your keyboard to flatten it. Then select the ping pong setting, which will then loop, and you now have a flashing PNG. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to use this continuously. Now the reason for using the loader in the beginning was so that we didn't have to go and identify the file each time we want to use this. Now we're going to rename, we grouped it. Now we're going to rename the group a Simple Smile Demo. And OK. You go back into your edit page, set a loop. What you now have is the ability to save this. Now, I typically, because I want to use this over and over again, I am going to save it as a title transition. If you do not have the same file structure, you can just pause the video and go and see. I'm saving it into the titles folder. You go and you see now, and you go into the titles, there is my title video, and you'll see I've added it as a text. The reason why I've added it as a text is so that it will give you the opportunity to change the transformation settings. And you don't have to go into the edit page or into the Fusion page to do any of these changes. You can apply these changes directly to your visual. If you want to go and amend your original file, just follow the steps, and then you can go and open it, and you will then have the ability to change anything.